So how do we actually get sound on our monitor? So you can see if I start to play this song right here, there's no sound whatsoever. And that is because most of the monitors, they don't really have any speakers for us to actually hear anything from. But there is one way to fix that. And that is to get one of those Bluetooth speakers here. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So I'm just going to pause this right here now. And then I'm going to put my Bluetooth speaker into pairing mode by clicking on the Bluetooth button here. And you can see now it's in pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode, I'm just gonna go into settings on my PC here, click on Bluetooth and devices, and obviously I have a PC here connected to my monitor, which you also need to have. And then I'm just gonna click on Bluetooth here, wait for it to show up. So here it is. This is basically my Bluetooth speakers here. So once they're ready to connect, I'm just gonna lower the volume a little bit so I don't wake up the neighbors. You probably heard that, I don't know, but let's see. Yeah, you can see now sound is actually coming from the Bluetooth speaker here, but it's obviously connected to the monitor. And that is basically how I was able to get sound on my monitor. I paused the video now just so you know. And basically, if you also want to be able to get a really good Bluetooth speaker that should work on your monitor without any problems, I have linked a link to it down below. And yes, it is an affiliate link, so if you purchase through it, I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's just a cool way to support my channel if you want to. So basically, that is exactly how to get sound from your monitor.